Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the crossbreeding quest from NPC Blanc easily. First, just go to NPC Blanc and buy at least 4 daisy seeds. Make sure you get 2 red daisies and 2 white daisies like this, red daisies and white daisies. And then next, just go back to your home and plant the seed directly on the ground plot. It just at the ground plot, not on planter box, and then just plant them alternately so red and white daisies are placed next to each other like this. Like this, and then just watering the plants, the daisies, and you can also use fertilizer or booster if you have them. Just watering it. Like this, and then now just wait until the daisies fully bloom, and when they bloom, don't harvest them yet. Instead, just water them again until you see a floating seeds appear above the plant. Just keep watering them, and then until you see a floating seed appear above the plant like this. You can also ask your friend to watering your plant to trigger the crossbreeding faster. And when you finish collect the seed, your crossbreeding quest is complete. Like this. It's already complete, and then next just harvest the your daisies plant. Just tap on this like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.